Hello all, welcome back to Vachi Online Teaching. Today I came up with a chapter in biology of class 10th in the Kerala state syllabus, and we'll be started learning the state syllabus curriculum also as a series, and today we'll be discussing one chapter, one session. And if you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and on the bell icon also, so that you will be notified when I upload new videos on biology, chemistry of classes 9th, 12th in both CBSE and state curriculums. And I upload classes for the NIOS students also. So please do subscribe and click the bell icon and encourage me. Okay, let's begin. The first chapter is sensations and responses, and in this chapter we will be studying about our sense organs and the five senses, the senses that we can know and sense, and what are the responses that we are giving in response to each of the stimulus that you receive through your five sense organs. So to first thing that we should know is which are the five basic sense organ or five important sense organs in your body. Okay, so the five important sense organs in your body are: the first one is your eyes. The vision is possible because you have your eyes, and the eye is the visual sense organ. That means whatever you see around you, you are getting a response, you are getting a stimulus from what you're seeing, and you're responding in relation to it. So the first and the most important sense organ is your eyes. Okay, you have a pair of eyes, so eyes is the first important sense organ. And the second one is your ears. The sound sense, the sound signals that you are receiving is through your sense organ, your ears. You have a pair of ears. Okay, and then the third one is what? The third one is your nose. Okay, smell. Okay, everything, all the sense, all the smells, everything you are sensing with your sense organ nose. You have a nose. Okay, single nose you have. And the fourth one is what? The fourth one is your skin, the touch. Okay, the touch signal, and it is done by your skin. Okay, and the fifth one is what? This is stimulus is touch. Your skin will sense the touch signals. And the fifth one is what? Taste. You can know taste. The sense organ is your tongue. Okay, so these are the five basic sense organs which receive visual signals, auditory sound signals, smell, different sense smell signals, touch signals, and taste. Okay, so these are the five different signals that you can identify, and you can produce response, or your body can produce response in relation to the stimulus that is received through this basic five sense organs in your body. Okay, so just note down, these are the five sense organ: eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue. Okay, eyes are for visual sensation, ears for auditory or sound, nose is for smell, skin is for touch response, and tongue is for taste. Okay, so this is the first thing, the five sense organs in your body. And so sensations, you came to know, these are the five senses, and these are the organs which receive stimulus from various things like sound, vision, the visual effects, the touch, taste, and everything. And in response to the input that you're getting through the sense organs, your body is able to respond it. Okay, so if you're going and touching a hot object, your skin is identifying that, okay, you're touching a hot object, and immediately there is a response from your body by withdrawing it, right? You withdraw your hand, right? So that is the response. Your body is able to respond to all those five all the stimulus that you receive through the five sense organs. Okay, so all those things that we'll be studying in this chapter. Okay, so in this picture you can see like a child is tasting mango, and the snail is withdrawing its body when a boy is touching it, like that. Okay, So it's like that, the different senses and the response towards it. Okay. So our tongue is the taste, the sense organ which can sense the taste and also, and your eyes for the vision. Okay. And from this sense organs, it is through nerves the signals are being collected and brought into your brain, and your brain and spinal cord will process these signals, and it will send a information back to your muscles and all, so that you will be able to do an action in response to the senses that you are receiving. Okay, so there are specialized cells in the sense organs and other parts of the body to receive the stimulus. Okay, your body has specialized cells so that you can receive stimulus from all these five sense organs, and these particular cells are called as receptors because they are receiving the stimulus, they are receiving the information. Okay, so what the receptors are doing, they are receiving the stimulus and they are generating suitable impulses to transport this particular information to your brain. Okay, and normally the brain will process the information, and it will send back a response. uh, it will send back a response like based on what stimulus it is received, what information it is received through the receptors, it will send back you a response. Okay, see, the nervous system controls and coordinates the actions, okay, through a response that it is sent back to your effector organs through the nerves. Okay, as a nerve impulse, it will be sending back you an information, and through that information it is telling you how to respond towards that stimulus, how to respond towards that stimulus that you received through your sense organ. So it is your brain, it is your nervous system which is controlling and coordinating the whole process of response and sensing everything. Okay, so that is your nervous system. It is the nervous system, the one of the basic important organ system in your body. So this is for the first session, and in the coming sessions we'll be describing the structure of neurons and nervous system in detail. Thank you.